Yes, I'm here again once more, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Just certain things I want to talk to you about in this video. Alright. So, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle with no tires and no rims on it, viewers and subscribers. Now, I do not specifically know what happened to that motor vehicle, but you can hear someone talking in this video, and I want you to listen to some words that have been said in this video, and you can also tell me what you think about the situation that you can see in the video. Observe, my people.
Blood. It will never stop, brother. It will never stop, bro. Watch it. We come for party. And look there. Man, 4 blood clot tire and rim gone. Choke blood clot.
Alright, now my people, the reason why I presented that piece of video to you is to help bring an awareness. So to each and every motorist out there, be careful. No matter where you're going, just be careful. You understand me? Because it's not the first time I hear about a situation where someone park a motor vehicle and tires and rims somehow had been taken from off of the motor vehicle. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? And you know, I saw at least 2 other pieces of videos that shows a situation that is somewhat similar. Now, I do not know if those videos are somewhat related, but I'm just letting you know that I saw those videos and to try help and bring an awareness. So to each and every motorist, be careful. You understand me? Yeah, whether you go party or you go to a certain location or you go into a friend's house or whatsoever, just be careful, you understand, because you have some dishonest persons out there worldwide. See? Alright, so on to another topic now. Now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what you think about some words that a person said in this video. Now, I am not able to confirm if every single word that the person said in this video are accurate, but the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you. Alright, here's a video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
We come in a supermarket to buy cheese. So when we come in a supermarket, we take up the cheese, and we take up the cheese, look here. All of the pan them empty. All of them empty, see there? Empty. Empty because them say them a thief the cheese too much. So them put on all empty pans, so when you go to the cashier now you tell them what size they want. See there? All of the pan empty. All of the cheese pan empty. I never see this from a barn.
Well, my people, that look away. You know, that really and truly look away, you know. I mean, if everything that the person said in the video are accurate, that look away, my people, you understand? Please bear in mind that I'm only going by words that the person said in that video. Alright, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I read a news article that has words in it that goes like this. Wickedness. Transport boss lashes GOV apostrophe T after motorist slapped with $500K fine. The news article also have a picture in it, viewers and subscribers, and the news article had been posted online. The picture also had been posted at least one other place on social media that I saw. See? And before I read some more words from the news article, I'm going to read some words that I saw in the picture. Now, the picture have words in it that goes like this. Offense information. Offense D110 operating motor vehicle specified in regulation 259(1) in time when motor vehicle cannot be clearly, and then I say speed device, and you can see some more words as well in it. So I say, but I just want to point out a part of this picture to you, my viewers and subscribers. So if you look at the picture, you can see the word fine, and then you can see $500,000.0. Pay no later than 2023-03-22. Comment windscreen tinted. So, my viewers and subscribers, and I would like you to tell me what those words are on in the picture that you can see, viewers and subscribers. All right, now let me read some of the words then from the news article to you, my viewers and subscribers. See me? Because I'm not the one saying these things, no, viewers and subscribers. You understand? I'm only going by a news article that I saw, and I basically just I let you know about the picture that I saw. You understand? All right, so the news article mentioned someone's name and said that president of the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services is calling for a re-examination of the Road Traffic Act by an international body over some of the more draconian measures outlined in the regulations. You see, as viewers and subscribers, now another part of the news article said that Newman said he had noted 2 particular tickets, one of which fined a motorist $6,000 for stopping in the left lane, sat in his vehicle kissing a female under the no stopping sign, and another issued to a public passenger vehicle (PPV) operator which asserted windscreen tinted exclusively, which attracted a $500,000 fine. 500,000 fine, me people. 500,000. So more words in the news article goes like this. Something is wrong with our lawmakers and those persons who craft the road traffic law. A man has a tint over the required 35 shade and that man is charged 500,000. If that is not crime, if that is not wickedness in high places, it is nothing. So may I say, and more words is in the same news article. Now, viewers and subscribers, let me ask you something. What do you think about a $500,000 fine? I respect rules and law and order overall, no matter where I'm at in the world. You understand? And I believe that rules and laws within a country are made to protect people within a country and to maintain law and order. So I think that whosoever make the rules and the laws them within a country should always keep the people within the country in their thought while they're doing so. Because they are working for the people. Why you think you have tax? Eh? So anyways, my people, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. And if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up, respect, walk good, stay safe.